flatbed's here. Ah, lol. Kill me now. So I'm going to start this video while I'm sat here doing nothing. I've just done a depressing finish to this video. But yeah, welcome. You are going to see some footage now. I don't really know what I filmed in all honesty, but I'm currently sat at the garage. But yeah, I did break down. Didn't go very well. Really embarrassing. I don't know what I filmed. I didn't film a few points that were really embarrassing, like trying to pull away, because I was more focused on actually moving the car than anything else. But yeah, I took the camera with me because I wanted to do a video about miles per gallon on the car, because I get loads of questions about MPG and comparing it to the 182 generally. But that didn't happen. We decided to break down. So yeah, I got some footage on that, and I'll talk a little bit about it at the end. But yeah, now I'm at the garage waiting for Emily to pick me up, and then I can get the cam out and everything done at the same time. Whether it'll be here for a week and a bit now, because I was only booked in for the cam out at the end of this week, whereas now it clearly needs more, so it may be in here for a couple of weeks, which is a bit depressing. But enjoy the video. It's a bit random, a bit weird, but it might get you guys commenting, might get you guys telling me what's wrong and telling me it's not a big issue, hopefully. But check it out. Here's the footage from today. I come to you with really potential bad news. I'm driving on a long journey. I've currently got a check-in engine light, big spanner for fixing, and also check airbag, and then check ESP. Perfect. Now I've got to stop at a light. This is going to be the biggest joke of my life, I think, this moment. And it's juddering like an absolute... Oh god, please don't break down. Please don't break down. Just need to make it. Oh god, so embarrassing. It feels like really responsive, but I just tried to pull away from the traffic like that. Oh my god, talk about kangarooing. Jesus Christ. The person behind thought I was being a cuck and revving the shit out of my car by the hand gestures he was making towards me, but we are going again, just can't really stop. Because it's juddering, revving like mad. I just need to stay underneath 2,000 revs and it runs fine. I would stop now, but I'm literally 2 minutes away from where I need to get to, and then I can just leave it there if I need to, so hopefully I'm not killing it. Get me away from this French life. Check injection. Check ESP. Check airbag. Check the car. That was so embarrassing. Oh god. Right. Okay. It runs fine at 35, so we're staying at 35. Should we try 6? Perfect. About half a mile to where I need to go to, so yeah, not very long, but it's weird because I don't get a flashing engine management light, I don't get a stop engine light, it's just, it runs absolutely fine underneath 2,000 revs, which isn't a lot. I'm about to slow right down here, so I'll see if I can film it. Oh god, what it does. Yeah, right. So that proves it. About 2,500 revs, that's when it starts juddering, so I don't know what it is to do, but yeah, I guess it is the fuel injectors, or I don't know. Hopefully it's really cheap, because I just want to sell this car, but brilliant idea. But hopefully we'll keep it away from above 2,500 revs. But the acceleration feels weird. It revs up really fast, whereas normal it would build gradually. And just, but we're here, I've made it, so don't be concerned. I'm now off of the main road by Stonehenge, where everybody was passing me and my hazards were on. But it's cool, it's fun. Only 35 miles away from my house as well. Oh well. Oh no, these get recovered. The flatbed's here. Ah, lol. Only 3.5 hours later. There she is. Save me. Perfect. Just touched a little bit, but we're alright. You got. calm down. Ready for the little scuff? It's coming. Yeah, you're good. Almost perfect, see? I'm annoyed. It's taken ages. It's now dark. So, today's plan was to go to my brother's and help him with the washing machine, because I do my plumbing, kitchen fitting, bathroom fitting, all that jazz nowadays. I thought, perfect, I'll go help him. Halfway to his house, about, I don't know how many miles it is away actually, but it's about a 35-40 minute drive. Halfway there, outside Stonehenge, one of the wonders of the world, is when it started to mess up. Luckily there was a little lay-by that I can pull into. I had a little look up online about why it was doing the juddering. I know some people were saying, oh, just turn it off, turn it on again. Sometimes it's just something that goes wrong and then it decides to do it for a safety feature. So I thought, right, okay, that sounds a bit weird. Surely if it's doing for a safety feature, I probably shouldn't drive it. But I wasn't too far away from my brother's house, so I thought, right, bugger it, I'll try it. Turn it back on, everything was fine for about 3 miles, and I thought, okay, typical Renault, and it's working fine now. But then, sort of just past the Stones, a few miles later, it just all went wrong again, and it was anything above 2,000 revs, it would bog and start juddering. I don't know what I filmed earlier, but I stopped filming at the traffic lights just before the roundabout, so as traffic lights went red, I'd stop at the roundabout, had everybody queue up behind me and thought, this, just pull away please. But it was like, it sounded like I was being an idiot and like revving loads to pull away, but everyone, well not everyone, but the person behind me driving was like, what the fuck? But obviously I was just, yeah, the person behind me driving was just like, what's he doing? But obviously I was, yeah, just trying to pull away, but yeah. Kangarooing like mad as well, proper forward and backwards if I ever went, well, tried to pull away or went above 2,000 revs. It's just, yeah, wasn't having it. So called the AA, a man came out, he wasn't very helpful, he didn't know what he was doing, he looked at a few things and then just sort of went, I think you need a recovery, which is what I originally told the AA phone line, is that I just want a flatbed, get me to a garage and then I could sort it out. But they didn't listen, so they sent a mechanic out first because they had to check it first to make sure it warranted a flatbed. So yeah, 3.5, no, not even 3.5. When did I ring him? About 1 o'clock, now 6 o'clock. So 5 hours later, I am now at the garage where I wanted to be originally, waiting to be picked up by Emily. So, bit of a joke, bit annoyed, another Clio's broke down on me, but there you go. Just about fit on the flatbed, scuffed the splitter a little bit, but it's all on the bottom, so ideal, perfect. Had a nice chat with the lorry driver, but yeah, need to move away from this French life somewhere. I think I'm having enough. But yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd update you. If I've got any interesting footage, I will actually put a video out, but it might just be really boring and depressing, but get some happiness from my pain, hopefully. Yeah. Another Clio has died on me. Sorry, Brads, in your car. Give it to me for a few months and it's already dead. Yeah, we're going to sort it out. I do want to go to a meet soon. We're going to get the cam out and all that done at the same time, because it was booked in for a little bit later on this week, but I'm just obviously just going to, Em's bringing all the stuff over now because I'm here, and then we'll get him to do the cam out and hopefully fix the car while that's happening. So hopefully it's all not too expensive, but I will give you an update on the bill when it comes to it. Hopefully you can do that at the same time as the cam out, because I know he said he was quite busy, so that might push it into a second week, but it will get done somewhere. I just need my car back, or I just need a work van, whatever will do. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment and subscribe, make me feel happy, give me some likes. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Cheers.